Hello, welcome to Vidyapeedam. This is Nitya. Today we are going to discuss about the part 2 of universe, and the topic name is natural phenomena, and some MCQs also. So if you like this video means please like, share and subscribe. So let us start today's section. The first topic is natural phenomena, and the thunderstorm, lightning, cyclones and earthquake are few natural phenomena that can cause a large scale destruction of life and property. We can predict them to a certain extent but not perfectly. While lightning can be explained by using the concept of production of electric charge by rubbing, earthquakes are caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. So the natural phenomena are thunderstorm, lightning, cyclones and earthquake. Okay. Next one, the first natural phenomena is lightning. When a thunderstorm develops, the air current move upward whereas the water droplet move downward. This movement is also called a separation of positive and negative charges on the cloud. The negative charges accumulate near the lower end of the cloud while the positive charges collect near the upper edge. Also, positive charges accumulate on the ground as well. As these charges accumulate, it reaches a stage where it is impossible for air, a poor conductor of electricity, to resist the attraction between the positive and negative charges. When these charges meet, they create streaks of light and loud sounds. The charges get discharged. Discharge can occur between two clouds or between clouds and earth. This causes lightning. The lightning as the formation as vigorous movement of cloud causes separation of charges. So what are the charges? There are two types of charges, positive charges and the negative charges. The positive charges collect near the upper edge of the clouds and the negative charges accumulate near the lower edge. There is accumulation of positive charges near the ground also. So negative and positive charges meet producing streaks of bright light and sound. This causes lightning. So there is some safety measures also lightning, and don't stand on open field, stay far away from all trees are the some of the safety measures of lightning. Okay. The next natural phenomena is earthquake. Earthquake is the sudden shaking or trembling of the earth for a short time caused by a disturbance deep inside the earth crust. Internally, the earth is made up of four layers: the crust, mantle, outer core and the inner core. The crust is not a single piece covering the inner layer. It is fragmented into smaller plates. These plates are a continuous motion. Every time they collide with each other or go above or below the other, disturbance is felt in the crust. This is an earthquake. Internally, the earth is made up of four layers. Outermost cover is the crust, and next mantle, outer core and inner core. So on earth some plates are there. They are called tectonic plates. Basically these tectonic plates moving around themselves. When the tectonic plates get struck and cannot easily slide against each other, they still keep pushing, thus creating a pressure causing the crust to shake violently, creating earthquake. Okay, this is the cause of earthquake, and the measurement of earthquake is seismograph. Okay, and the next one is volcano. A volcano is a landform, a mountain where a molten rocks erupt through the surface of the planet. The volcano mountain opens downward to a pool of molten rocks underneath the surface of the earth. Volcanoes are categorized into three main categories: active volcanoes, dormant volcanoes, and the extinct volcanoes. So, active volcanoes is a volcano will be classified as an active volcano if at the present time it is expected to erupt or erupting already. Dormant volcano is, and the next one is dormant volcanoes. The classification of volcanoes which is called dormant would be a volcano that is not erupting or predicted to erupt in the near future. That is dormant volcanoes. Next one, extinct volcanoes. An extinct volcano is a volcano that no one expect will ever have another eruption. Okay, it will never expect will ever have another eruption. So extinct volcanoes is an extinct volcano is a volcano that no one expect will ever have another eruption. That is extinct volcanoes. So let us do some MCQs about natural phenomena. So the first question is, earthquake tremors are caused by the disturbance deep down inside the uppermost layer of the earth is called dash. The first one core, second one crust, third option pith, fourth option kernel. So the option 2 is the correct answer, crust. Next one, which volcano erupt most often? Active volcano, dormant volcano, dead volcano, and inactive volcano. So option 1 is the correct answer, active volcano. Next one, Mount St. Helena is an active volcano located in which among the following countries? Option 1 Japan, option 2 USA, option 3 Chile, option 4 Italy. So the Mount St. Helena is an active stratovolcano located in USA. So option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the world's highest volcano is located in which of the following country? Option 1 Chile, option 2 Argentina, option 3 Peru, option 4 Bolivia. So the world's highest volcano is located in Argentina. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. So next question, which of the following is derived from volcanic ash and glass? Option 1 endisols, option 2 inceptisols, option 3 andisols, option 4 vertisols. So andisols is derived from the volcanic ash and glass. Option 3 is the correct answer. Option 3. Next one, where is located in the most active volcanoes in the world? Option 1 around the Atlantic Ocean, option 2 around the Pacific Ocean, option 3 around the Indian Ocean, option 4 around the Arctic Ocean. So around the Pacific Ocean, located in the most active volcanoes in the world. Option 2 is the correct answer. Next one, the deadliest volcano tend to occur in the presence of which geological phenomenon? Option 1 erosion, option 2 subduction, option 3 slump, option 4 convection. So option 2 is the correct answer, subduction. Option 2 is the correct answer. Question, where is the world's highest volcanic mountain Cotopaxi is located? Option 1 Japan, option 2 Philippines, option 3 Ecuador, option 4 Hawaiian Island. So the world highest volcanic mountain, Cotopaxi, located in Ecuador. Option 3 is the correct answer, Ecuador. Next one, what is the special branch of geology by which earthquake is studied? Option 1, anthropology. Option 2, epilogue. Option 3, seismology. Option 4, ethology. So option 3 is the correct answer, seismology. Next one, the highest active volcano is in the world. First one, Ojos del Salado. Option 2, Cotopaxi. And third option, Chimborazo. Option 4, Mount Elbrus. The correct answer is the highest active volcano in the world is Ojos del Salado. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question. Krakatoa volcano is found in option 1, Indonesia. Option 2, Italy. Option 3, Sicily. Option 4, Japan. So the Krakatoa volcano is found in Indonesia. Option 1 is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not likely to cause tsunami? Option A, major nuclear explosion under sea. Option 2, earthquake. Option 3, volcanic eruption. Option 4, lightning. So the correct answer is lightning. The lightning is not likely to cause tsunami. Option 4 is the correct answer.